Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are an Amazon affiliate, uh, you are probably wondering how to get paid for your commissions. In today's video, I will walk you through the process of setting up your payment method in Amazon Associates for 2025. Let's get started. First of all, go to your affiliate Amazon affiliate program and sign in with your Amazon Associates account. If you haven't signed up yet, you will need to create an account and start promoting products to earn commissions. Once you are logged in, click on your email or store ID in the top right corner. Then go to Accounts, Settings. Then from here scroll down to change payment method under the payment and tax information section. Amazon offers three main payment methods like direct deposit or bank transfer. The fastest and most recommended method, Amazon gift card. Your earnings will be converted into Amazon credit. Check payment. Amazon will mail you a physical check, but this takes longer and may include fees. For the fastest payments, I highly recommend choosing direct deposit. Select direct deposit and enter your bank account details, including bank name, account number, routing number for US accounts, SWIFT or BIC code for international accounts. Confirm your details and save changes. Amazon has a payment threshold, meaning they only send payments when your earnings reach a certain amount. $10 for direct deposit, $25 for Amazon gift cards, $100 for check payments. If you haven't met the threshold, your earnings will roll over to the next month. Before Amazon can pay you, you must submit your tax information. In account settings, go to your tax information, then fill out the required forms. uh, W9 for W9 for US residents, W8 BEN for non-US affiliates. Submit the form and you are done. After entering all required banking information, save your changes. Ensure that your account is configured correctly by reviewing your payment method details. For those needing to submit tax information, Amazon provides a section to fill in tax classification, permanent residence, and tax identity information. To see when you will be paid, go to Reports, then Payment History. Amazon processes payments every month, typically around the end of the month, but it may take up to 60 days to receive your payout. And that's it. You have successfully set up your Amazon affiliate payment method for 2025. Now just keep promoting products and watch your earnings grow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more affiliate marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.